Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on the evaluation feature. What is the purpose of evaluation? First of all, you will start the evaluation under the RepTool Access RepTool, not like the configuration or inspection rules under Users. You have to choose the submenu of Summaries Evaluation. Background for this is that you will evaluate reports already done under your RepTool administration. The feature evaluation shall help the technical expert of the WE system or, for example, the charged controller to check reports provided by the treatment partners. The evaluation focuses on checking the plausibility of data entries. Compare with the inspection rules with which the completeness of reports is checked in the sense of are there entries in the fields. See a separate video on this. With the evaluation, you will check combinations of entries used in all selected reports. Having checked a combination once, you will be able to quickly identify entries which are not okay and covered by the evaluation rules without checking report by report. The evaluation will not replace the individual control of reports, for which you may set controller remarks. See videos on this under Administration and for reporters. Important: only system users may set, modify and save the evaluation rules. Reporters may just see all combinations occurring in their reports and the evaluation rules given and may use them for correcting the reports or in case changing actions. See videos on this under for reporters. When you choose evaluation, you will come to a select content block. Present evaluation options are output fraction country, output fraction technology, technology output fraction, composition of final fraction, and use in final technology national classification. See some examples of application later. Some important aspects are: only combinations used in selected reports are shown. Not all combinations which are possible in general are not used. If any combination which was not okay is solved by the reporter, the evaluation rule will disappear from the list of evaluations and from warnings in the report. Nevertheless, the rule for this combination stays in the background. So if at any time any of your treatment partners will use this combination again, the rule is given and the automatic inspection will fire. Second, only entries with all key fields filled in or chosen are shown. Other ones, with, for example, missing data inputs, are covered by the normal auto inspection given by the inspection rules. Example: the list of output fraction technology shows only output fractions where the technology is chosen in the following acceptor technology step. This rule also hits acceptor technology steps where the technology is not selected from the RepTool standard technologies, the background lists, but given in the other field. Third, the evaluation rules may only be derived from reports, but they are also applied for inspection of packages and tasks. How to do the evaluation? I recommend to start with the default setting output fraction technology, as it is an easy combination. You will start with the evaluation setting not fixed yet. Later, you will be able to filter evaluations already done, e.g. as forbidden. Next, you should choose the period of reports you want to check. Choose with the entries in year, e.g. reports from the last 1, 2 or 3 years. And I would also recommend to start with one treatment partner, as it is easier to sync. For example, a very good one for OKs or a very bad one to come to evaluation rules. But of course, you may also choose to work in a general way. If you don't select any filter criteria, all reports and combinations from last and current year are shown, but not reports excluded from summaries. If you press Search now, you will get all combinations of output fraction technologies used in your reports you have selected for the evaluation. If you have a large number of reports under your administration, the list of combinations can be very long. So you might also use other fields from the select content block to limit your choice. For example, to start with one input fraction. Clicking the underlined Reports Found entry, you may see reports covered by your choice, and you may even select one of them for your evaluation. The list of results shows the evaluation choice and 3 additional columns for evaluation, kind of rule, and controller remarks, and 2 assisting columns, percent of total input or weight in kilogram, and usages. Entries in percent of total input or weight in kilogram shall give you an indication on the mass relevance of this combination. The figure in usages shows you how often this combination has been used in your reports. If you click the number, you will get a list of reports where the combination is used. This list of reports is done as links to jump into the reports overview to the treatment step where the combination is used. The jumping feature gives you the option to look at the context in which this combination has been used. Under evaluation, you may choose if a combination is okay, to be proved, impossible, e.g. from technical aspects, or forbidden, e.g. by national law. Under kind of rule, you may decide if a combination not okay shall result in a warning or a blocking. At present, both kind of rule options result in a warning. The option of blocking is at present mainly given as filter option, but blocking is planned for more drastic actions. Ideas are a more severe warning or a report may not be set to done. For combinations you judge as not okay, as to be proved, impossible or forbidden, you should enter a reason and or any advice on actions under controller remarks. It is up to you to choose and fix combinations which are correct as okay, but we recommend to do this, even if it is quite some work in the first year. It will help you a lot in the following years, as only new combinations will appear if you choose not fixed yet then. All the other ones are handled automatically. To help you a bit, please see that as soon as you modify anything under evaluation, a submit and cancel button will appear after every 5 lines. With submit, the rules will be saved. This allows you a quick go-through to save combinations being okay. How to see evaluation results. For combinations not okay, the automatic inspection will fire a warning, a red frame in the report, package or task graph, and as warning from automatic inspection in the overview or the graph. The text you have given under controller remarks will be shown. All evaluation rules you have done, you may see if you choose evaluation rules. You will get the list of rules which you may revise or rework here. Don't forget to press the submit button to take changes over. For and in any report, warnings resulting from evaluation are shown everywhere where warnings from normal inspection have been shown till now. This is, for example, under Inspect, in the graph, in the overview when warning from automatic inspection is selected, and in PDF downloads when warnings from automatic inspection is chosen. What I mentioned at the beginning, the evaluation feature shall help you to control reports. If the reports of your treatment partners are perfect, the list of evaluation rules might be empty. If not, This feature might be of great help for you. Good luck with, how we called it during development, our self-learning tool.